Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm at the Wroclaw, however you pronounce it, train station, and I'm going to show you how to get to the Christmas market. And so it'll work for you whether it's 2021 or 2025. Come on, I'll show you how to get there. Let's do it. Bye. Okay everybody, when you come out of the train station, this is the train station right here, and you can tell it because it looks like an orange castle or a yellow creamy kind of castle. Get your bearings. So when you walk out, you're immediately facing, there's an Ibis over here hotel on the right side, and then there's this big street on the right in front of you. What we want to do is go down this street this way until we hit a major crosswalk. So let's do it together. It says it's 1.2 miles. So if walking's not your thing, you can take a taxi. But if walking's okay for you, which it is for me, then I will show you exactly how to get there. And I'm a pretty fast walker, so we might be able to do it in about 16, 17 minutes. But again, come out of the train station, and the big clock tower and the bell tower and the castle looking building, which is, you can't miss it. And so if you have an iPhone or any kind of phone, I would go in here, pull up maps, and then press the button and put a pin here. You can put a star or a favorite place or a heart or whatever your phone does. I know on my Apple phone, my iPhone, that I put a like a little star here. And so then it's really easy to get back to. Sometimes I've seen people use it where they, where I park my car, they have an app that does that, so it always keeps track for them. But you can't miss it. Let me show you the building one more time. I mean, it literally is this big orange looking castle type building, and it says right on top, Wrocław. So all you gotta do is come out and go left and then get to the main street. Once you get to the main street, we're gonna keep going left. And we got a walk arrow, so I'm gonna bust so I can catch the light. So again, here's the tram stations too on the left. We don't care about that. We want to get here, and you have a choice. You can either cross the street and then go left, or you can just go left. I don't know what the lights are going to do, so I might just run. Oh, I'm glad I waited. I'd rather be on the other side. And they have trams here, so you can get a tram that'll take you down this street as well. And there's probably a tram, if you take the time to learn it and understand it, that would get you to the main square. That's where the Christmas market is. Old Town Market. You can look it up on your phone as well. But the walk's good for you. It's about 40 degrees, and it looks like it's been raining. The grounds were wet. But this is really simple, because you're going to come down here, and when you get to the biggest intersection, like see this little intersection here with the light, that's not it. You want a big intersection. You can see way down there's a yellow tram going by. That's where we're going to turn right. Ooh. And now we got to wait until traffic passes. Okay, I won't make you wait for this. I'll be right back. Okay, we're off to the races again. And you're gonna pass a reddish pink building and a blue building, which is kind of cute. Zabka's grocery store. And again, I am absolutely sure you can take a taxi and tell them to take you to Market Square, Old Market Square, or you can figure out one of those trams. But you know, the trams are tough because if you don't speak the language, then it becomes quite difficult. You're going to pass this incredible building on the right, which is truly incredible. And you just keep on walking. And you see that tram right there? Right in front of us, the blue one crossing, well, turning. Well, the yellow one crossing. That's where we turn. So a marker so you can know. See up there where it says scan dick? Is it scan click or is it scan dick? Okay. From this way it looks like scan dick, but maybe it's a CLIC. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. There's a big colorful statue over here on the left. Red and green and blue and pink and purple and all sorts of stuff over there, but that might do it for you too. If you're a Starbucks fan, when you get to Starbucks, hang a right. There's a statue, a monument right here as well. One on each side. Pretty cool. Okay. We're going to turn right. And you're going to go down this street right here. Yeah. And you're going to take this down past another large intersection. And you can see they're getting ready for the Christmas stuff up here, which is wonderful. And I think this is probably one of the biggest Christmas markets that I've seen. It looks huge. Etno Cafe. And so there are trams running. So if you probably could wing it to where you caught one or two to get here or something like that. But yeah, it's a little walk. And it's a red light, but I'm going for it. Now it's a green light. You'll pass whatever that name of that sign is on top of that building. I don't even know what that word is. And I think this is the Opera House down here, this yellow building. I think that's right. I think that is right. So, where you see the Opera House, you can see it over there. It's the yellow building across the street. This is the next major intersection that you have to cross. This building here on the right is a mall. I don't know what the name of that building was, but this is a mall. Here's another identifier. When you see the great tower spire thing up there, you can see it from everywhere, but that's a good indicator. And that is the Opera House. I want to say opera. I think it is the Opera House. Let me check my phone. And there's another statue in a park. In a big church. Let me check that Opera House and make sure that is correct. Opera, yes. So that yellow building over there with the incredible columns out front, that's the Opera House, and we're gonna go past that. And a church here on the right. Okay, that's the Opera House. Amazing. And there's another big, huge church on the left. And it has the big cross on the edge of the building, or on the roof, I mean. And now you're on a walking street, so now there's not supposed to be cars, but less traffic. And you can see right down here, this is where the Christmas market starts for us. And so how long did it take us? Not long. 12 minutes maybe? And this isn't really the main square, but it'll get us there. But it is the entrance to the Christmas market. And again, the big church, which is amazing. And you'll know that you're on the right way when you're on the walking path. And I'm going to get you down to this street and show you the Christmas market, and that'll be the entrance to the main square. You'll go down this street a little bit past these wooden Christmas market entrances and then turn left, and that's the main square. But I'm just getting you to the start of the Christmas show. And we're almost there. And you have a choice here. You can cross above or you can cross below. So KFC starts the Christmas market. Isn't that the way all Christmas markets should go? Is a big piece of chicken. Oh. Here we go, everybody. Okay. All right, everybody. This is it. The start of the Christmas market. And this will take you right to the main square. Very cool. And it's all decked out now and everything else, so that's pretty amazing. Okay, I'm aiming too high to get on my camera. That's the story of my life. Anyway, okay, everybody, that's it. Thanks for coming. Bye.